In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Zoho CRM. Whether you're tidying up your database or simply removing outdated information, these simple steps will help you streamline your workflow quickly and effectively. First, let's head over to the Zoho CRM website. Open your browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM. Zoho is a popular choice among many businesses for managing sales and customer relationships, thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust functionality. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to access Zoho CRM. Click on this, and it will prompt you to log in. After entering your login credentials, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center where you can manage leads, track sales, and perform a myriad of other functions. Now, the next step is to locate the leads module. This is where all potential customers and new contacts are initially housed in Zoho CRM. Click on the Leads tab and it will present you with a list of all current leads stored in the system. To delete a specific record, locate the entry you wish to remove from your database. On the far right side of each record, you'll see 3 dots stacked vertically, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is a handy feature, giving you quick access to actions like editing the record, duplicating it, or in our case, deleting it. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, look for the delete option. But before you proceed, it's essential to double check that this is indeed the record you want to remove. Deleting a record in Zoho CRM is a permanent action, meaning once you remove it, you won't be able to retrieve it unless you have a backup. So take a moment to ensure you're deleting the right information. If everything checks out, go ahead and click on delete. A confirmation pop-up might appear to ask if you're sure about deleting the record. This is your final safety net. It prevents accidental deletions and gives you one last chance to reconsider your choice. Confirm the deletion and the record will be permanently removed from your leads. And there you have it, a straightforward process to clean up your Zoho CRM database. Keep this method in mind anytime you need to update or refine your records. Efficient management of your CRM not only keeps you organized, but also enhances your ability to focus on the most relevant and prospective contacts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in your CRM management journey.